Welcome to Techdaily.ai. This deep dive is sponsored by StoneFly, your trusted solution provider and advisor in enterprise storage, backup disaster recovery, hyper-converged VMware, Hyper-V, Proxmox cluster, AI servers, SA365, a turnkey security appliance, and public and private cloud. Check out stonefly.com for more info. Today we're exploring how intelligent cloud technology is, well, fundamentally changing the way businesses operate. You've shared some really interesting angles on this, and our goal here is to, cut through the noise a bit, pinpoint the key shifts and what they really mean for staying competitive and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's becoming pretty clear that the cloud isn't just a place to store things and run basic computing anymore. It's really evolving into the intelligence driving smarter businesses. So maybe to get us started, what's the most significant aspect of this evolution that you see?
Well, I think what's really fascinating is the shift. The cloud moving from being, primarily an infrastructure play to becoming a core driver of business intelligence and real agility. It's permeating so many fundamental business functions now. It's quite something.
Absolutely. And when you think about those core functions, cybersecurity, that immediately jumps out, doesn't it? It feels like security teams are just facing this overwhelming flood of potential threats every single day.
Yeah.
How is the intelligent cloud offering like a real solution in this constant battle?
Exactly. Security analysts are just bombarded with alerts constantly. The intelligent cloud using AI, machine learning, and what's often called behavioral analytics, basically understanding normal patterns to spot when things go sideways. It's proving to be an invaluable ally, really. It can analyze that massive influx of data, identify unusual activity much faster than a human could, and ultimately it minimizes the chances of successful attacks and, importantly, reduces errors in how we respond. Think of it as like dramatically cutting down the time it takes to spot the needle in that massive haystack.
Right. So it's moving beyond just reacting to attacks to actually maybe anticipating and preventing them. That feels like a significant shift. And we've also seen how this kind of proactive approach, powered by cloud intelligence, is impacting just general decision-making, particularly in really dynamic sectors like logistics.
Precisely. Instead of relying on, past trends and reacting after something bad has happened, cloud-based AI can process what's happening right now, real-time data. This empowers businesses, especially in logistics where timing is absolutely everything, to foresee potential disruptions, make adjustments proactively. That move from being reactive to proactive in decision-making. That can translate into a huge competitive edge. Imagine being able to reroute shipments before a major traffic jam even causes a delay.
Yeah, that makes sense. It sounds like this ability to analyze data in real time is also just fundamentally changing how supply chains operate. It's not just about knowing where things are anymore, is it?
Not at all. Intelligent cloud platforms are enabling AI-driven, real-time optimization across the entire supply chain ecosystem. This includes automating logistical processes, predicting demand with much greater accuracy, and enhancing overall operational efficiency. The tangible results are pretty significant cost reductions and, crucially, a much smoother, more reliable experience for the end customer. We could be talking about, say, reductions in warehousing costs because you predict demand better, or faster delivery times thanks to optimized routing.
And this isn't happening in isolation, like within different departments, right? The intelligent cloud seems to be creating an environment for much better collaboration across the whole organization.
Exactly. That's a key point. The intelligent cloud acts as a central hub, kind of providing a unified view of critical data and analytics. This shared understanding, it fosters real-time collaboration among enterprise leaders. It allows them to collectively identify and mitigate risks, anticipate cyber threats more effectively, and build stronger, more resilient operations overall. The focus shifts, from those repetitive manual tasks to more strategic, high-impact initiatives.
Okay, so the continuous flow of data and the power to analyze it instantly, that seems to be the core transformation here. And it's not just accessible to like the giant corporations anymore, is it?
That's a really crucial point to understand. Intelligent cloud technology is genuinely democratizing access to sophisticated real-time data analytics. Businesses of all sizes can now integrate this data-driven approach into their daily operations. And that leads to faster, more informed decisions, streamlined processes, and those enhanced customer experiences we were just talking about. Think about predictive analytics for forecasting customer demand. This used to be something reserved for enterprises with massive resources, right? But the intelligent cloud is making it accessible to a much wider range of companies now.
Now, this ability to harness data, it extends beyond the traditional office environment too, doesn't it? We're also seeing its impact on more sort of industrial operations, operational technology or OT.
Absolutely. The convergence of advanced connectivity, think faster networks, more connected devices, and edge computing, which is processing data closer to where it's actually generated. With these intelligent cloud-based services, it's dramatically accelerating the transformation of OT. It's about strategically deciding where to process data. Should it be right at the equipment for immediate actions, or maybe in the cloud for deeper analysis and looking at long-term trends? It's about optimizing those computed data trade-offs to get maximum efficiency and actionable insights from industrial processes.
Okay, but with all this data being generated, moved, analyzed in the cloud,
Mhm.
security must be more than just an added layer, right? It needs to be absolutely fundamental.
Precisely. Security isn't bolted on anymore. It's really an integral part of the intelligent cloud fabric itself. We're seeing the advancement of smart security features powered by AI and machine learning, specifically designed for the cloud environment. This includes capabilities like automatically classifying sensitive information, analyzing user behavior to detect unusual patterns, things that might indicate a threat, and also identifying and neutralizing malware, all essential for building trust and ensuring secure cloud adoption across the board.
We even saw a really compelling example of this in healthcare, actually, specifically with sharing large graphic and video files. That's a challenge many industries face, dealing with huge files.
Oh yeah, that example involving dental implant surgeries and reconstructive procedures, it truly illustrates the transformative power here. The ability to seamlessly and securely transfer massive CT scans, intricate prosthetic designs, and even live video feeds during procedures using platforms like Google Drive, maybe coupled with innovative tools like IvoVision smart glasses and the MetaView app. It's just a game changer for collaboration, for remote consultation, and knowledge sharing in these highly complex medical fields.
Wow. It sounds like it's also making the complexities of, say, global operations more manageable. Running teams and infrastructure across different continents, that can be incredibly challenging.
Exactly. Intelligent cloud technology simplifies the management of global operations. How? By enabling businesses to automate processes and gain real-time visibility across their international teams without introducing overwhelming complexity. This is crucial for efficiently scaling infrastructure to meet global demands, for testing software across different environments, and managing data-driven workflows that span the globe.
And let's not overlook the impact on the customer interaction side of things. It feels like personalized experiences are really becoming the expectation now, not just a desirable extra. How's the intelligent cloud making that happen?
Yeah, intelligent cloud technologies are fundamentally changing how businesses engage with their customers. Cloud-based AI models can analyze customer interactions across all the different channels they use, websites, social media, customer service calls, you name it. And they use that to deliver highly personalized content, tailored recommendations, customized services, and do it at scale. This not only leads to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty, which is huge, but it can also significantly improve efficiency, resolving issues faster, providing more relevant support right from the first interaction, first touch resolution, they call it.
Now, all this interconnectedness and reliance on real-time data sounds incredible, but it also makes me wonder about the underlying digital infrastructure. It needs to be super robust and adaptable, right, to handle all this.
You've absolutely hit on a critical enabler there, the true potential of intelligent cloud tech. It's unlocked by having a high-performing, automated digital infrastructure. This ensures that the network can dynamically adjust to fluctuating demands in real time, minimize delays or latency, and provide seamless high-speed access to those critical AI workloads we're talking about. It's really about building a responsive and agile foundation that can keep pace with the intelligence layered right on top.
So the focus shifts then, from just gathering massive amounts of data to actually being able to quickly and easily extract meaningful insights from it.
Precisely. For many organizations, the challenge isn't necessarily collecting the data, it's the ability to analyze it effectively and in a timely manner. Intelligent cloud tools are specifically designed to process these vast data sets rapidly and present clear, actionable insights through user-friendly, responsive dashboards. This empowers a wider range of users, people without deep technical expertise maybe, to make informed decisions based on the most current information available.
And it's not just about understanding what happened in the past, is it? It's also about being proactive and adapting business processes to what's happening right now in the market.
That's exactly where cloud-based process intelligence technology comes into play. It provides real-time visibility into how work processes are actually being executed. This allows businesses to dynamically manage and optimize those processes in response to external factors, market volatility, changes in regulations, the constant drive for innovation. It's about building a truly adaptive and resilient operational framework.
Okay, and even areas that might seem a bit less cutting edge, like, say, document management.
Yeah,
They're benefiting from the intelligent cloud, too, especially with the rise of generative AI.
absolutely. Processes that involve a high volume of unstructured documents, think supplier contracts, customer correspondence, things like that, they can be significantly streamlined. Generative AI can automate tasks like identifying missing information within documents, or maybe creating concise summaries of lengthy texts, which frees up the human experts to focus on more complex analysis and decision making.
Circling back to security and compliance for a second, it sounds like the intelligent cloud, when implemented thoughtfully, can actually enhance both of those critical areas.
That's right. When intelligent cloud platforms are deployed using what's known as infrastructure as code, basically managing and provisioning infrastructure through code and automation, it ensures consistent and standardized configurations, which inherently reduces the risk of human error and reinforces security best practices. Furthermore, by integrating with leading security information and event management, or SIM, software, which acts as a centralized system for collecting and analyzing security logs, organizations can significantly improve their real-time threat detection and monitoring capabilities.
It really feels like all these different technological advancements, AI, the Internet of Things, real-time analytics, they're all sort of converging within the intelligent cloud to create something far more powerful than just the sum of their parts.
That's the core of it, really. Intelligent cloud technology is enabling a new level of hyper-automation in business processes. It does this by seamlessly integrating AI, the vast data streams from the Internet of Things, and real-time analytics. This powerful combination allows companies to optimize their supply chains dynamically, predict customer demand with greater accuracy, automate complex workflows, ultimately driving down costs, increasing agility, and enabling predictive, data-driven growth.
So the overarching benefits seem to be, well, a significant increase in operational efficiency and a greater capacity for innovation. It's a pretty compelling value proposition for any business.
Exactly. The deep integration of AI into cloud technology is revolutionizing how businesses operate, period. It's boosting efficiency across all functions, enabling smarter, more informed decision-making at every level, and ultimately, it's accelerating innovation. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, embracing intelligent cloud solutions is becoming, well, not just an advantage anymore, it's really a necessity for staying competitive and relevant.
And it's not just about the successes of individual companies, is it? It seems to be about fostering global integration and enabling scalable innovation on a much larger scale.
Precisely. Intelligent cloud technology facilitates seamless integration across diverse global teams and systems. It breaks down those traditional silos, fosters enhanced collaboration. The inherent scalability of the cloud, combined with real-time collaboration tools and built-in compliance features, empowers companies to accelerate their innovation cycles and maintain robust operational resilience in an increasingly complex global environment.
This also opens up that fascinating possibility we read about, creating these operational digital twins. It sounds incredibly insightful.
It really is. The intelligent cloud makes it possible to create real-time virtual replicas of entire business operations. By combining the constant stream of data from IoT devices, advanced AI analytics, and predictive modeling, organizations can simulate various scenarios, proactively identify potential problems before they occur, and optimize their decisions across their entire operation in a virtual environment before implementing any physical changes. This fundamentally changes how businesses manage risk and pursue innovation, makes it much more informed, much more strategic.
Ultimately, then, it sounds like the intelligent cloud is removing many of the traditional technical barriers, allowing businesses to focus more on what truly drives value, the data itself and the insights hidden within it.
Exactly. That's a great way to put it. Intelligent cloud technology handles much of the underlying complexity of IT infrastructure, the stuff businesses have historically struggled with. This empowers individuals and teams to dedicate more of their time and energy to directly interacting with and analyzing data, which, at the end of the day, leads to more efficient, more effective business operations and the generation of valuable, actionable insights.
So what does this all mean for you listening in? Hopefully this deep dive has given you a clearer understanding of how intelligent cloud technology is reshaping the business landscape, and maybe highlighted some key areas for you to consider in your own strategies. This evolution, it's happening rapidly, and the potential for smarter operations, stronger security, and more personalized experiences is truly immense. Here's a thought to leave you with. As the intelligence embedded in cloud technology becomes even more pervasive, more powerful, how will businesses best navigate that balance? The balance between increasing automation and preserving the crucial human element. both in decision-making and in that spark of innovation. Something to think about.